whatever. All right, so I'm looking at this chart right now. This is NZD USD, and I had a pending trade, a hedge, ready for this right up there. That's it right there. And I was waiting for price to come down. This is where I closed in profit, took my little profits off and trimmed up some stuff. And now I'm just waiting for price to come on down. This looks like a good area because we've had this bounce here before and this bounce here. And if I were to go ahead and I'm gonna just take this 0.16 and I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up now. So I'm going to delete the pending buy stop and I'm just going to take it now. And this will have trimmed whatever this little bit right here is. So I would have squeezed almost 20 pips of profit or 20 pips of drawdown. And so that's what we're doing. So I'm going to come here and let's see. I'm waiting for this to catch up. Come on, play catch up. See how like none of the numbers are actually moving? All right, I'm going to close this out and then we're going to come back to it. There we go. Now we're back. So if we come down here, NZD USD, see right down at the very bottom, we have a buy stop at 0.16. I'm going to delete that order. Delete. Yes. That's now gone. NZD USD, I'm going to new order. It's a 0.16 and I'm going to buy right now. 8958. I'm just grabbing the last digits of that of what it is because that's all I need. I'm going to come here and go 8958. And that puts me there. So I can close this out. I'm going to set this up for 299 because that puts us where we're at. Oh, you know what? You didn't see any of that. Is that still recording? Oh, it's still recording. Good stuff. You didn't see any of that. So basically, I just went in and I edited this position here, and I actually need to edit it again. 8958 and then 299. So it was actually in today's, in today's candle. I'm going to get rid of the P, which was for pending. I try to do that to make sure that I don't get mixed up if price does some weird stuff and I can't really see. So I've closed that right there. So about 20 pips of profit, 20 pips of drawdown is what I keep saying. So this is where that's at now. We're all good. We're all completely hedged. 15 plus 16 is 31. 25 plus 6 is 31. And so we are completely and totally hedged. Now I will just basically take this up here. I'm going to turn it into an alert, which I just try to make it a little less subdued. I'm going to add an alert on here and say to manage it. And so if price comes back up here into the zone again, I may take profits off. Looking at the way prices move though, what we have here is we have a push up, a pullback, a push up, a pullback. And if it respects this zone here and continues up, there is a high likelihood, I'll use that word, there's a high likelihood that it could continue up. So I might hold it just a little bit more before I decide to take profits, because then it could pull back into this area here. And so I would like to take profits there, squeeze it down there, and do this all over again. And the entire time trimming and making money along the way. So that's where that's set up right now. And I just wanted to share that as this wonderful process. So my process now is to let myself know that this is fully hedged. The only one I have now that is not hedged is NZD CHF. That is still has a pending 0.09 up there. I'm waiting for price to drop off and come down. Actually, I have it down here. That way I can start hopefully getting a little bit closer to this zone that's right here. But then I'm hoping that it'll come all the way down here, close this one, delete the pending, trim this 0.03 way out here, and then work on squeezing and doing whatever else I want to do. So that is that. It is, 10:53 right now. I am chilling in my little snuggie thing because I'm cold. Um, just cold. I'm always cold. And then I'm watching a video from Nick Sean as he talks about his trading experience for the last 7 years. And he talks about the same exact thing that I do. Well, I mean, 'cause he's where I learned it from. Just the idea of getting out there, finding something very, very simple, and doing it over and over and over again, and get that experience. The experience becomes your intuition. The intuition is what drives you, and that is where you'll find your profitability. How long will it take? Who knows? I don't watch that one. I don't even know why I subscribe to him anymore. I mean, he's fun to watch sometimes. Whoop! I don't know what happened, but that's where it comes down to. You actually have to get the experience. Get away from the idea that trading is a get rich quick thing. Is it possible to get rich? Yes. Is it going to be quick? Probably not. And even if it is quick, it's not sustainable. So, unless you have a plan to get rich quick and then tailor off into something else, you're probably not going to make it. You're probably going to get rich quick and then blow it the very next month because there's no foundation for you to lean on in understanding how that process actually works. So, YouTube's going to recommend something, more than likely, somewhere up there. If you want to watch it, watch it. If not, talk to you guys later. Be blessed. Bye.